Hello! Today I'm going to talk about the new, exciting, premium design Nokia C32, another great addition to our C series range. Our C series range has three key pillars. They are smartphones that you can trust, that won't break the bank, and that focus on providing the user with experiences that really matter. We know these are the things that customers are looking for in this particular price sector, and the Nokia C32 easily meets and surpasses these expectations. Now, why would customers be interested in the Nokia C32? Well, it's a great phone for customers looking to upgrade from their existing smartphone to one that offers the latest features, software, has premium looks, and offers great value for money. The Nokia C32 ticks all of those boxes. It has tons to offer. And let me tell you about the top 5 features of this new C series device. It has a big 50 megapixel dual rear camera that includes both portrait and night modes, so you can take stunning photos day and night. It has a battery that will last for up to 3 days in normal use, so you won't need to take a charger or power bank out with you during the day. The design is premium with toughened glass, as you can see on the front and back, and it has an inner metal frame as well. This phone looks great, feels great, and at this price point you won't get a better looking phone. In addition, the Nokia C32 has the latest software out of the box, Android 13, which means you get a fresh looking smartphone experience with great new features that make it more personalized to you and keeps you protected and secure. Lastly, it has something really quite clever. It has a feature called virtual RAM, which expands the memory of the phone to assist with downloading apps, running games, and helps reduce and minimize apparent lag to improve the user experience. The Nokia C32, with its 50 megapixel dual camera, up to 3-day battery life and premium design, is a perfect next phone for people wanting to upgrade and wanting just a little bit more from their smartphone. Now, I'm based in the UK, and in a recent YouGov study that took place here, 60% of us Brits say that battery life is the #1 consideration when choosing a smartphone. Now, personally, I don't think that's a great surprise, and I'm pretty sure that globally the response would be the same. Well, with the Nokia C32, you get a battery life that will last for up to 3 days in normal usage. So there's no need to take a charger or power bank out with you during the day. And more importantly, no need to go begging a friend to ask if you can use their charger. Plus, the Nokia C32 has battery saver mode. You can find it very easily in the settings menu, and this cleverly restricts some power consuming features. For example, it restricts background app activity, visual effects, and also disables Bluetooth when there is no active connection, just to name a few. Lastly, I've got a tip for you to save on your battery life. Use flight mode, especially when you're sleeping. Now, I do this all the time, and I can tell you your battery level will drop by no more than 3 to 4% overnight. So it's a great way of extending the life of your battery. We all love taking photos when we're out and about. Based on the amount of photos taken in 2021, it is predicted that in 2023, 57,246 photos will be taken every second of every day. That means an amazing 5 billion photos per day around the world. So you need a good camera to take those point and shoot experiences when you are out and about with family and friends, taking photos of the kids, capturing memories when you are on holiday. In fact, all of the time. The 50 megapixel dual rear camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera on the Nokia C32 does just that. Takes great photos you will want to share. Importantly, the C32 has night and portrait modes, which will really assist you to capture the memories that you don't want to forget, the photos that you really want to keep. Night mode is particularly good because it means that you don't need to use the flash. When you use the flash, it can often be hit or miss in that it either bleaches out or does not light up the subject. Night mode cleverly increases the light that the camera can see in any low light situation to produce some amazing results. You need to use it. Now, I'm on a mission to get people to take great photos on their phones, and I have a simple tip for you. Set your resolution of your camera to the maximum available. It goes without saying that the higher the resolution of your photo, the better quality it is. When taking images, try to go as close as possible to the subject rather than zooming in when you take your photo. You will get better resolution photos that you can then zoom into and crop as you require. People do like to show off their phones, and the Nokia C32 will be one of those phones that you will be proud to own and show off. In this price category, the C32 has the design and materials that you would usually only find on higher priced smartphones. It has a beautiful premium design that includes a 2.5D toughened glass both on the front and back, and an inner metal frame which makes it feel super sleek and sturdy, a first for our C series range. As further protection, the Nokia C32 is IP52 rated, which means that it can withstand small drops, dust and spills of coffee or water, so if this does happen, you won't have to panic. Finally, the Nokia C32, you will get the latest software with Android 13 straight out of the box. With Android 13, you get a fresh looking smartphone experience with great new features that makes it more personalized and keeps you protected and secure as you have control of the information you want. How many times do you forget things during the day, such as, did I lock the house? Where are my keys? And who won the Football World Cup in 1998? Well, maybe not that one. Well, the Nokia C32 is something we all could do with, an extended memory. To use this, we have to use virtual RAM. This is where a portion of your phone's internal storage will be used as additional memory, which effectively increases the total amount of memory on your smartphone. By using virtual RAM, more apps can stay active in the background for a longer period of time, especially the lighter ones, which will make way for the heavier apps and games to stay in the memory. The Nokia C32 comes with either 3 or 4 gig of RAM and 64 gig of ROM. So, if you use virtual RAM, you will get an additional 2 gig, but the ROM will slightly reduce to 62 gig. However, you will get a more fluid user experience, but remember, the additional RAM is only temporary. By the way, the winner of the '98 World Cup, it was France. I have an amazing stat for you. YouTube users watch a whopping 1 billion videos each day, and 70% of the content is viewed on one of these on their smartphone. So it's important to have a good size screen. The Nokia C32 has a 6.5 inch HD plus display, which is great for watching YouTube, for your video calls, and even seeing who is calling you when it's a good old-fashioned phone call. Now, do you remember them? Lastly, the Nokia C32 has 2 years of quarterly security updates and includes a fingerprint sensor here in the power button and face unlock, so you know that your personal data, online banking and shopping is going to be secure.